How do you say delicious? How do you say lovely? How do you say delectable, divine? How do you say de groovy, de with it? How do you say delight?